Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Happy Monday. I hope you guys all had a really great weekend and a great Thanksgiving with your families. So today I'm starting off the week with a short little Shein try-on haul. Shein is like one of those online Instagram companies. You've probably heard of it if you've been in the YouTube space, but if you haven't, all the links to everything that I'll be showing you are down below in the description. If you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe down below for more videos from me on Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. I also have an Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter, which I am way more active on. So all of my other social media links will be down in the description. I also have a blog that I like to post on Tuesdays and Thursdays, or at least I try to. So if you want to follow me there, then check out the description box. But without further ado, let's just get started. So a while back, I did my fall and winter favorite jackets video, jackets and coats, and I had mentioned this Shein teddy bear jacket that so many of you guys raved about, but that jacket was really my introduction to Shein. Before that, I really didn't ever shop the site. They have some really on-trend, high-quality pieces that are pretty affordable, so I'm really excited to share the ones that I picked out today. So I will leave a link to that video and that jacket down below. Let's start off with this dress that I picked out. So I was definitely looking for a sweater dress for this season, but I wasn't looking for like a traditional, high neck, long sleeve, short dress that I could wear with like knee-high boots. I wasn't looking for that because I have a couple of those. I was really looking for something special, and I feel like this dress is perfect. So I think you're supposed to wear it a little bit more off the shoulder like this, but you can also kind of pull the shoulders up and then pull the sleeves up like this and then wear it more as a v-neck style, as like a wrap kind of style, versus like wearing it off the shoulder like this. So I do like that you have the option. I would probably wear it like this, going to church or something, but then if I'm going on a date night, I'd probably like pull it down just a little bit. The length of it is really nice. It's not super short. I think it's a really good Christmas dinner or like any casual kind of holiday party that you're going to. I think this is a really, really great piece. Let's move on to the next item. This is a double-breasted coat from Shein. The detail on the sleeve is incredible with the 3 buttons. And again, like I said, the price that you pay for a jacket like this, like it's honestly so affordable, which surprises me because it's a pretty good quality jacket. It's really heavy, and I love the length of this one. It's really short, so it's really cute with a pair of denim jeans or like a skirt. In LA, this is definitely a jacket that I would go for because it's not super duper cold, but this and a scarf bundled up I think would be a really cute look. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram to see more of these pieces styled up and photographed on my Instagram because I do like to showcase all of my items there, so don't forget to follow me down below. The next piece is another sweatery cardigan item. So I thought this was a little bit interesting, and this wasn't what I expected when I bought it, but this is actually a scalloped edge knitted cardigan, and I don't have anything in this kind of like rust color. Normally I tend to stick to like beige, camel, nude tones. I don't know, I was kind of feeling like a rust vibe. So this is just a 3-button cardigan, and I wanted to wear this, like I had a vision of styling this up with like a turtleneck underneath, or even just wearing this piece on its own buttoned up as a top. I think would be really cute, but you can also just like leave it open and wear it as a regular cardigan. Of course, it's really chunky and like heavy, which I love about all of these Shein items. The quality of like the weight of each of these pieces is pretty like good. It's not like a super flimsy light piece. I will say this isn't the softest cardigan I've ever felt in my life. Like I've definitely felt better, but I think that again, for the price that you pay, this is a really good quality cardigan. And I have been looking for some new style knits, like not just your traditional, sweater or like your roll neck. I was looking for something a little bit different, and I think the scallop bottom adds a detail that people just wouldn't expect. So definitely like this piece a lot in the way it fits. By the way, I'll be putting all the sizes as well down below so that you guys know what sizes I purchased all of these items in. Let's move on to the next item. So I got this skirt to match the next item that I'm going to show you, but it is this kind of ribbed, just like a typical ribbed midi skirt with a slit on the back. I'd seen a picture on Instagram recently of like a girl wearing this like beige tone knitted set, and it was really cute. She was wearing like this cable knit sweater. So I was looking at Shein for something similar. This ribbed skirt just was so cute in this like gorgeous mustard color. Again, these colors are so on trend for fall. I will say this material just feels like what a t-shirt would be made out of. While I'm like wiggling this around, I think you can see the material that I'm talking about. It's pretty thin, but like I said, I got this skirt to pair with a sweater, so I actually got this sweater to match. And even though the tones are not exactly the same, like on the website it looked really similar, so that's why I thought, you know, this would be a good set together. But like side by side, you can kind of see the slight difference, and I'll definitely be wearing these together so that you guys can see, but you can kind of see the slight difference in the tones, but I'm not mad at that. Like, actually, they looked really cute together when I was trying all these items on yesterday. The fit of this sweater is amazing, you guys. Like, I need more of these types of sweaters. It's tight on your arms, but then it's loose right in the midsection. This asymmetric hem at the bottom is amazing. It's so figure flattering, and just like one little tuck into the skirt, it looks so cute. So I highly, highly recommend picking up this sweater on Shein.com if you're shopping the site. The different angles and the ways that the rib is going is really, really cute, and it's so flattering on me. It's got like a slight mock neck to it, so it is pretty warm. I'd probably pair this with like a long sleeve under it so that I stay warm in the winter months. But yeah, I just love this set together, even though it isn't like exactly the same colors. And that is the short Shein haul. I know this was like super duper small, but I will say I don't really like to shop for things that I know I'm not gonna wear. Even when companies come to me and they're like, hey, do you want to pick out some items from our shop? Like, I really take my time to pick them because I'm really picky with the things that I wear, and I like to rewear a lot of things. When I'm shopping, I don't pick out things. Like, I don't buy things because I know I'm only going to wear it for this season. I buy things because I'm like, oh, I could wear that for like a long period of time. But if it's cheaper and if it's like from a store like Shein, then that's definitely more of a bargain to me. So those are all the items and the different outfits that I wanted to show you. Let me know if you liked this video with a thumbs up down below. If you want to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe down below. I also created a Depop account, which so many of you guys have already started following me on. I just wanted to start selling some of my pre-loved items from my wardrobe to yours. There's a lot of items that I have that just don't get as much wear as I thought they would. So I wanted to just pass them down to you guys and just see if you guys can style them up better than I did. So if you want to follow me on Depop, the link will be down below. Leave me a comment down below of your favorite outfits, and I will talk to you guys all in my Wednesday's video. Bye!